there. Today we'll be taking a look at CSS float. So, what is a float? And what is it popular for? Float positions an element to the side, left or right of a container. Popular for wrapping elements around images, like as we see here. Okay, we have 3 images and we wrapped lorem ipsum around it. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so we have 3 image tags pointing to 3 different pictures, and they'll have a width of 150 pixels. We can use an alt of pick just to make it simple, and we have 2 paragraphs of lorem ipsum. Okay, that's just to show the wrap happening. We could use more, or we could make it one big one like this. So yeah, so we use one big paragraph instead. This way it looks, the wrap can be easily seen. So those are the boxes, the pictures. So now what happens is, okay, we're gonna demonstrate it on this box. The box is 3 boxes. Okay, we have 3 div classes, and each one has a class of box, and we labeled box 1, box 2, box 3, and we're gonna have one big paragraph. Okay, so we can see the wrap. So now what we're gonna do is, I'll show you right here. We'll use a border. Okay, it borders it, and then we have each width of the box is 100 pixels each, with a background color of aqua, and the font size is 32 pixels, just so we can see the numbered boxes. And we're using a float of right now. Okay, as you can see, it's floated to the right, and this is all boxes, so all boxes will float to the right. Okay, so if we use a left, okay, all boxes float to the left, and as you can see, the paragraph will wrap around the box. Now you can wrap images too. You can wrap shapes. I showed you in previous video wrapping shapes. I'll wrap in an image. Okay. Now also, if you want to clear the float, say you didn't want the second paragraph, we'll put it back into a second paragraph here. We'll do okay, and then we'll do I'll do that. Boom. Now we have 2 paragraphs again. Okay, and to clear the paragraph, what we're gonna do is, see how it's floating. We can clear the paragraph. All we have to do is use clear and clear left, or clear right. Okay, so if you wanted to wrap one and you didn't want to wrap the next element, then you would use clear to stop the float. So we floated this back. Now you see the difference? Okay, using the clear of right on the paragraph, it's not wrapping the boxes now. Now if I were to take that out, it's back to wrapping them. Okay, you also could use clear left, which would work on the opposite way over here. Now that we're using clear left on the paragraph, it's not wrapping. If I take it out, comment it out, now it's back to wrapping again. So clear is to clear float on an element, and what side you want it to clear on. Same for above. Up top we got images. Okay, if we change the float right and put it to the left, now the images are on the left side, floated left, and the paragraph is wrapped around it. So let's see if they're clear. Left, okay. So now that we're clearing left, it's not floating them all to the left. It's gonna put them on top of each other because we're clearing the float to the left. And as you can see, this is the default look. Okay, this is the default look with float, and the difference between the two. You see the difference? Okay, it all follows the bottom line, and the pictures are bigger this way, but when you use the float left, the pictures are small to big. And the same for float right also. It'll do the same thing. Okay, but if you clear it, now it'll go back to natural, the default state. The natural state, or the default state, whichever one you prefer to speak. Thank you for taking a look at float. Hope it gives you some more ideas. The code link will be in the comments, along with all the other videos, of course. Thank you, and have a good one.